This is part 2 of the rational functions videos. We are going to learn in this video how to find the domain of rational functions. To find the domain of a rational function, or once you find it, you always write it in this form. So it'll always be d with a colon and then the squiggly bracket. X cannot equal. You might have one number, you might have multiple, depending how many different factors you have. So always the first step when finding domain is to factor and simplify. If you forget how to factor and simplify, you can go to the video on rational functions, factor and simplify. But I have already done that here for us. So the next step is going to be set the factors in the denominator of the factored equation not equal to 0 and solve. So here we have our 3 different equations. We have unfactored, we have factored, and we have simplified. So set the factors in the denominator. So this is the bottom of the fraction of the factored equation not equal to 0. So this would be our factored equation right here. And we are going to set both factors in the denominator not equal to 0. And since we have 2, we need to set both of them separately, not equal to 0, and then solve. So that is going to look like this. So x plus 6 does not equal 0. X minus 3 does not equal 0. And then we are going to solve these. So subtract 6 from both sides. We get x does not equal negative 6. On this one, we're going to add 3 to both sides. X does not equal positive 3. And then we're going to write it in this final form. So d colon with the squiggly bracket. X does not equal negative 6, comma, positive 3. And that is how you find the domain of a rational function.